Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream kunafa at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fine kunafa dough, which is often found frozen. Melt around 200 grams of unsalted butter to coat the dough. For the syrup, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. Don't forget the key components for our creamy filling: milk, cornstarch, and a touch of heavy cream. Now, let's create the star of our kunafa, the creamy filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 2 cups of whole milk and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch until smooth. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Remove it from the heat and stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This adds a luxurious richness and ensures a perfectly smooth texture for your dessert. With our cream ready, it's time to assemble. First, shred your 500 grams of kunafa dough into fine strands and thoroughly mix it with the 200 grams of melted butter. Press half of this buttered dough firmly into the bottom of a 10-inch round baking pan. Next, carefully spread your creamy filling evenly over this base layer, leaving a small border. Finally, gently cover the cream with the remaining buttered kunafa dough, ensuring it's well distributed. Our kunafa is almost ready. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until it turns a beautiful golden brown. While it bakes, prepare your simple syrup by boiling 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes. As soon as the kunafa comes out of the oven, immediately pour the warm syrup over the hot dessert. Garnish with chopped pistachios for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.